Today is July 10th, 2025, and here's your latest update on Wolfspeed, ticker symbol Wolf, a stock that's been at the center of extreme volatility and dramatic moves in the semiconductor sector. Wolfspeed closed the last session at $2.02, down nearly 20% on the day, after a wild week that saw the stock soar as high as $2.71 and drop as low as $1.46. This comes after a historic collapse over the past year, with Wolf down more than 90% from its 52-week high of $25.49 and trading just above its all-time low of 39 cents. The company's market cap now stands at about $183 million, a fraction of its peak valuation. Despite the recent crash, Wolfspeed has delivered a staggering 61% return over the past month, showing just how volatile the ride has been for traders. The stock's 52-week volatility is nearly 100%, and today alone, the intraday swing was over 46%. Trading volume has also exploded, with nearly 460 million shares changing hands in a single session, far above average. Fundamentally, Wolfspeed is still struggling. Revenue for the trailing 12 months is $761 million, but the company remains deeply unprofitable, with a negative profit margin of minus 146% and an EPS of minus $8.26. Return on equity is a concerning minus 180%, and there's been no year-over-year earnings growth. These numbers highlight the operational and financial challenges Wolfspeed faces as it tries to stabilize. Analyst sentiment is mixed but slightly positive on a technical basis. About 46% of analysts rate Wolf buy, 46% say hold, and just 7% recommend sell. The average price target from Wall Street is $4.20, which suggests potential upside of over 80% from current levels if the company can turn things around. Technical indicators currently show Wolf in a favorable trading position, but the risks remain very high. Here's a trading strategy for Wolf in this environment. For short-term traders, extreme volatility means there are opportunities for quick gains, but risk is equally high. Consider playing momentum trades if the stock breaks above recent highs, but always use tight stop-loss orders to protect against sudden reversals. Intraday swings can be massive, so discipline is key. For longer-term investors, Wolfspeed is a high-risk, high-reward turnaround story. If you believe in the company's technology and management's ability to recover, consider building a position gradually on dips, but only with risk capital. Monitor earnings, cash flow, and any news on restructuring or new contracts closely. Stay alert for news on semiconductor sector trends, company updates, and analyst revisions, as these can all trigger sharp moves in either direction. In summary, Wolfspeed is trading near historic lows after a year of extreme losses, but recent volatility has brought short-term trading opportunities. Manage your risk carefully, stay disciplined, and keep an eye on both technical and fundamental developments. If you found this update helpful, like and subscribe for more real-time stock insights. See you in the next video.